An ecom business is a bit like a fishing boat. Once upon a time, we set sail in order to catch fish. So why is it that some are able to catch more than others? Hi, I'm Shaylin from Bitfiner, and over the last 7 years, we've been working really hard with businesses across 20 countries, won over 10 international awards, even spoken at Google. But most importantly, we've made our customers happy because we've made them profitable. So it's fair to say that we know a little bit about ecom businesses, and sure, we could upgrade your fishing boat with the fanciest bells and whistles. But what we'd really like to do is we'd like to show you how you can pick the lowest hanging fruit in your business and skyrocket your sales and profit. To do this, we'd like to show you strategies on how you can increase your average order value or AOV. So welcome to Bitfiner's AOV course. By the end of this course, you'll become profitable because you'll know how to sell more to your customers. And don't just take it from us. Our AOV course is based upon research which is verified by giants such as Google and researchers from the Baynard Institute. So let's not worry about what platform our ecom business is running on, but rather the customer experience so that they buy more from us. Ready to learn more? Well, I'll see you on the other side.